Salam perang cangsatai ye video naram saksotaya. Ye video anceng Rahul Gandhi ni agan kepani gemen comotan botrang ko cawi election no ciani gemen ye video ni yang na. Rahul Gandhi ni agan ani kita dei hadar gani korupri bersio Lok Sabha election no ia botrang ko cawi jagen semua mudi taung ingin Prime Minister Narendra Modi Prime Minister ongna manjawacam ne uagan ha. Ia botrang ko cawi ni corangara fake ID tadi e saksa mandian ceng ini canggatam boton ani ci Nokang gisa o banga mandirang ko napatani chi una agreba banga dingtang tang chorang chi ya botang ko chawaha neuwa gananga ham na simang thalbate masina gata Rahul Gandhi ni agan ke pa video clips ko ये वीडियो रना पत्तेगा ताऊ जोल जोल वीडियो को नियांगना
हर कागज को हमने आइडेंटिफाई किया है, कैटलॉग किया है, फोटोग्राफ निकाली है, कंपेयर की है। 6 महीने लगे। ये है चोरी। 1,02,50 वोट की चोरी 5 तरीके से होती है। डुप्लीकेट वोटर, फेक एंड इनवैलिड एड्रेसेस, बल्क वोटर इन सिंगल एड्रेस, इनवैलिड फोटो, मिसयूज ऑफ फॉर्म 6। डुप्लीकेट वोटर मतलब एक व्यक्ति 3, 4, 5, 6 बार वोट कर रहा है या उसका नाम 5-6 बार आ रहा है। फेक इनवैलिड एड्रेस मतलब या तो पता है ही नहीं या फिर फेक है। बल्क वोटर सिंगल एड्रेस, एक बेडरूम का घर है उसमें 50 लोग का एड्रेस है और जब हम वहां जाते हैं वहां लोग ही नहीं है, वोटर ही नहीं है। इनवैलिड फोटो या फोटो है ही नहीं या फोटो इतनी छोटी है कि उसको पहचाना ही नहीं जा सकता। और फाइनली मिसयूज ऑफ फॉर्म 6। फॉर्म 6 नए वोटर्स के लिए होती है जो 18 साल का होता है, पिछले इलेक्शन में जिसने वोट नहीं किया उसके लिए होती है। मतलब 18 से 22-23 की एज होनी चाहिए उसकी। तो इसका जबरदस्त मिसयूज हुआ है। अब थोड़ा दिखाते हैं। ये देखिए गुरकीरत सिंह डांग, इनका नाम बीजेपी विंस with 658,915 with a margin of 32,707. But then the interesting thing, we look at Mahadevapura assembly segment and the BJP, the Congress polls 1,15,586. Vastava, ऊपर जाओ, just zoom out for a second. Yeah, just zoom into the top 2 there. He votes in booth number 458, same person. He votes again in booth number 459, same person. Go down. And then this gentleman goes Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka and Maharashtra. So he's got his name on 4 lists, different states, different polling booths. And I remind you, this is not an individual. There are thousands and thousands of these people that we found. Duplicate voters was what, 11,000? So there are 11,000 people who are voting 3 times, 4 times, multiple times. Right? Okay, now let's go to, okay, here is the list of duplicate voters. These are all the people who have voted multiple times in Karnataka. That's the names, that's their addresses, that's the polling booths where they registered to vote. Okay. Next, fake addresses. Or that you can't see them. That's an original voter list. That's a copy of a voter list. You can see no photos. Okay, so there's 4,000 of those. And now we come to the most interesting, which is really where the game is played. You've heard that new voters vote for the Prime Minister. You heard that said, right? सुना है ना? new voters, young voters like to vote for the Prime Minister. Now I'll show you how. So there is something called Form 6. 33,692 voters are registered here. This basically is anybody who wants to vote for the first time can use this list, Form 6. So you go, you get into the Form 6, and then your name goes into the voter list. There's a lady called Shakun Rani, 70-year-old. 70-year-old. Zoom out. That's her. And you see a very interesting thing here. She appears twice on the voter list. She comes in using Form 6. Zoom into her name the first time. Zoom in there. Here, first name Shakun, surname Rani. Right? Now look at her picture. That's a picture. Now go to the other picture. Look at the picture. So this is essentially a zoomed in picture that they've taken. And this is now suddenly a new voter. Go back. Now she has no surname, but her first name is Shakun Rani. Right? Go back. But what's really interesting here, now she uses this form twice. She uses it first on the 13/9/23, and then she does it again 31/10/23. So she becomes a voter twice. And then the beautiful thing is, show us the next slide, she actually votes twice. Or somebody votes twice for her. Right? There she is, that's the slip where she's been signed off as having voted in booth 341. And she's done it twice. Now we don't know if she's done it, else has done it. Now this has been 33,000 people here in one assembly that have done this. Show me the ages, please. You have the ages of the larger list? Okay. So I'll start with the age here. I've got a list of the ages. Age 98, age 96, age 95, age 95. Yeah. 33,000 was stolen like this. Right? And she registers herself twice in 2 months. And then she goes and votes. Or somebody else votes for her. This is how the Bangalore Central Lok Sabha election was stolen. Just take me back to the numbers. 1 lakh. महादेवपुरा. इसमें बड़ा अजीब नतीजा था. 2024 में कांग्रेस पार्टी को 626,208 वोट मिलते हैं. और हम इलेक्शन कमीशन से नहीं कह रहे हैं, हम हिंदुस्तान के युवाओं से कह रहे हैं, हिंदुस्तान की जनता से कह रहे हैं, ये आपका भविष्य है, गरीबों का भविष्य है. ये आपके आंख के सामने पूरा का पूरा सिस्टम चोरी किया जा रहा है. और ये ब्लैक, जैसे मैंने बोला, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट है. ये उनका डेटा है, उनकी फोटोग्राफ्स, उनके नाम है, उनके डुप्लीकेट्स, उनके फेक एड्रेसेस.